Y'all need to stop picking and choosing when y'all want to show empathy to people. Y'all be some real life bullies on the fucking internet, bullying each other. And I'm gonna tell y'all, it's a lot of females doing this shit. Y'all want to talk about, hey, women, let's come together, woman power. But y'all really ain't coming together, because as soon as another woman checks one woman, basically letting her know how wrong she is. So y'all literally be arguing in the comment sections, like very judgmental on videos, and it's really unnecessary. Like, everybody claim that they want positivity in their life, and it's so, y'all spew so much negativity, it don't make no sense. Like, to be honest, I'm like literally trying to wrap my head around certain things that females have said to each other. Like, how are you going to get mad at a female for what they wear or how they eat or however they live their life, and then when you post yours and somebody don't like it, now you're upset because somebody, or you're crying and you looking for sympathy from other people. You looking for that empathy that you fail to give to other people. And it's like, y'all, I mean, get it together, because if you really want positivity in your life, you have to exhibit that. Like, keep it 100. Stop talking about being 100. Like, just be 100. Honesty all the way around. And also the fat shaming, the skinny shaming, the ugly shaming, the I don't know, everything shaming. Like, females really be shaming each other, and y'all really be saying the downfall be the man, but it really be the females. Like, y'all aren't looking in the mirror and fixing self first. You really have to fix self, because your attitude, people shouldn't have to deal with your trash ass attitude. Oh, you get mad every 2 seconds, and then everybody want to keep using, oh, it's a mental issue. This is something somebody grew up with. This is a mental blah blah blah. I'm starting to see y'all using it as a crutch. You're faking the shit. This is a mental blah blah blah. I'm starting to see y'all using it as a crutch. You're faking the shit, because mentally you can control that shit. You can control your emotions, but y'all don't want to. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with y'all. Like, control your emotions. Some of y'all, when you feel like you lost the argument, y'all start attacking people, how they look, or go through their kids' pictures and stuff. Like, what is wrong with y'all? Get y'all. I mean, it's unnecessary. I'm gonna need for some of y'all to really find some therapy, and some of y'all mamas to apologize to y'all kids for putting them through a whole lot of trauma, because it's probably what's going on in their mind. Because what the fuck? It's just so much negativity. Just go sit down, meditate, control your emotions, stop all the fighting. All the fighting is unnecessary. Find peace. Peace, love, and happiness. What happened to that? I mean, I miss seeing happy people singing R&B songs, like, the back in the day kind of type songs. I'm tired of hearing all this auto-tune, scratchy voice ass shit. Y'all get some love back in y'all life. Where is the love?